This year's World Drug Day has been marked with calls for investment in prevention, including justice, education, healthcare, and alternative livelihoods, the building blocks of sustainable resilience. This year's campaign, Break the Circle, hashtag Stop Organized Crime, highlights the need for coordinated long-term action to break the circle of organized crime and drug trafficking. Speaking after a walk in Lagos to raise awareness on the dangers of drug abuse and trafficking, especially among youths, members of Alpha Beta chapter of Sigma Nurses called on all stakeholders to step up the game to safeguard the youth and the society, reiterating the dangers of drug abuse.
Well, the entire drug ecosystem needs every hand to be on deck. Be the parents, the teachers, the guardians, everybody, community leaders, because of the peer group influence among the youth. So everybody have that role to play to ensure that their wards, their guidance, everybody around them says no to drugs. So they should be able to monitor them to know what they are doing, the kind of friends they move with, and the kind of school they go, what they eat, everything, and they should be able, the parents should be able to check the bags of their wards, especially the teens, and they should be able to monitor what these people do with their phone at home.
We need people who know that these things are wrong to come out and say that these things, this is what could happen, and if you do it, this is what you will get. But government has a big part to play. The rules and regulations that are not kept, because it's not as if we don't have the rules, we do have, but they don't take them. So what we want is that government should get up, give us these strict rules, and everybody should follow it, no exception.
The organization also warned against the dangers of drugs not prescribed by medical practitioners, professionals obtained over the counter.
Well, ordinarily that is very wrong, but we are in a society where everything goes. Nobody should go to the pharmacy or to any drug center to get drugs without prescription. Drugs are categorized. We have the OTC. OTC means over-the-counter drugs. Anybody can get that. Then we have the POM. POM means prescription-only medicine. Those medicines should not, in any circumstances, be sold to anybody without adequate and well-written doctor's prescription.
So when you take drugs, that is illicit drugs we are talking about. Cannabis, alcohol, heroin, all those ones. If you take them, then you will not be able to think properly. Everything about you will just be confused. And these people will act as if they are not thinking properly and there's something wrong with them. And so they cannot think well. And we believe that our youths are not thinking well. Why? Because many of them are on drugs. They go to parties, they don't know what they have put in the cocktails, they drink it. And also some other places where they don't even know they have been given the drugs are so rampant and so important that it is good that we tell our youth that drug abuse is wrong.
In global observance of June 26, supported by individuals, communities, and organizations worldwide, aims to raise awareness about the significant problem of illicit drugs. This global observance, which has been in existence since 1987, addresses the complex impact of drugs on millions worldwide, from substance use disorders to drug trafficking and organized crime.
Hello, hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the notification button so you get notified about fresh news updates.